there, welcome to Tiny Elephant. In this video, we're going to be making this beautiful granny square with this bright red flower. So grab your favorite hook, let's get right into it. We'll begin with the flower. We're going to start by making a magic ring. Simply hold the yarn tail. I prefer to wrap the yarn around my fingers twice. Insert the hook. Pull through a loop. Then chain one right away. For the single crochet stitch, you will chain one at the beginning of the round. In most cases, this chain one will not count as a stitch. That means your first single crochet will be in the very first stitch. And we're going to work 6 single crochets into this ring. So, here are my 6 single crochets. Let's tighten the ring. So you'll have your yarn tail and 2 loops on the inside of the work. So very slowly and gently give your tail end a little bit pull. To see which strand of the double magic ring moves, take that moving one, then we pull it firmly, so that it closes up this inner circle. Then, pull the tail end nice and tight. Like this, with double magic ring, the circle doesn't loosen up. I'm going to join with a slip stitch. For the round 2, we will work a round of chain stitch and just in the front loops. So chain 2 directly. Insert the hook into next front loop. Work a slip stitch. Chain 2 again. Slip in the next. We will repeat this to create 6 chain spaces. We are going to turn over the work. You will notice the remaining 6 back loops. With the last chain, I'm going to insert the hook into the first back loop, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1 right away, it doesn't count as a stitch. So we are going to make an increase in each back loop. So 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Simply repeat the round. At the end of the round, we should have 12 single crochets. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. I'm going to change the color by joining the round with a slip stitch. We are going to make a round of stamens. And we'll do it just in the front loops. So chain 4, insert our hook into the front loop of the same stitch, make a slip stitch. Then slip to the next front loop. Chain 4. Slip stitch again in the same stitch. So we'll repeat this in each stitch. At the end of this round, we should have 12 stamens. Now turn over the work again. You can see the back loops. Insert the hook into the first back loop. Work a slip stitch. Chain 1. Sew for this round, and we're going to do an increase followed by a regular single crochet, just in the back loops. Here's our increase in the first back loop, and a regular stitch. Work 2 into this one and just 1 into the next. And just repeat this around. I'll meet you back when I get to the end. When I get to the end, I'm going to join in the same exact way as usual, slip stitch in that first single crochet. Now we are going to work another round of stamens. The method is same as before. Chain 4. So slip stitch into the front loop of the same stitch. Slip stitch in next. Chain 4. Slip stitch again in the same front loop. And just repeat this round. Close to the end, I have the last stitch to go. At the end, we should have 18 stamens. I'm going to turn over the work. We will take the back loops now. Make a slip stitch in the first back loop. I'm going to change the color by making the slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1. Single crochet into the same stitch. And continually, we're going to do an increase, followed by 2 regular single crochet. So make the first single crochet in the stitch. Before we work the second single crochet in the same stitch, we chain 8. Skip 3 stitches from hook. In each of the remaining stitches, we will work a slip stitch. Five stitches. This is going to be the foundation of the petal. Once we finish this 5 stitches, we work another single crochet back in the same stitch. Like this. Then 1 regular single crochet in the following 2 stitches. Then we'll repeat the increase and petal foundation again. Like this, we'll work 6 petal foundations for this round. We do it together once more. My last petal is done. In the last stitch, we'll work a single crochet. Then join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. At this point, I'm going to change the color. Round 8, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1 again. Move on to the foundation chain. Here is the first stitch. Put the hook into this first stitch. Then we do 1 single crochet. In the following 5 stitches, simply work 5 single crochets. So here are my 6 single crochets. Chain 2. On the opposite side, we will do the same, 6 single crochets. Once we have the 6 stitches, chain 1. Skip 2 stitches in the round. The first stitch can be tight, look carefully. In the third stitch, we will work a single crochet. Chain 1 again, then we repeat the petal pattern again. Just like this, we'll complete the 6 petals. My last petal and chain 1 is finished. Now join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. For round 9, insert the hook directly in the first stitch of petal. We are going to do a single crochet, followed by a half double crochet, then a double crochet and a treble crochet in the next, followed by a treble crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch, then a half double crochet. Last one, single crochet. In the chain 2 space, we'll work a slip stitch, then chain 1, one more slip stitch in the chain space. On the opposite side, we will do the same. So single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and a treble crochet in the next, followed by a treble crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch, then a half double crochet. Last one, single crochet. The first petal is finished. Now work a slip stitch in the next single crochet stitch. Move on to the next petal. Repeat the pattern of petals. Let's do it one more time together. Just keep going all the way around. My last petal is done. Join with a slip stitch. We have our flower done. So move on with the square part. If you look closer, you'll see the 8 single crochets in round 8. There are 2 loops at the back of each stitch. Insert the hook into this 2 loops of any single crochet. Pull through a loop, chain 1, work a single crochet. Then chain 5. Move to the next single crochet. Single crochet. Just like this, we'll create 6 chain spaces. My last chain 5, I'm going to join with a slip stitch in first single crochet. So here are 6 chain spaces. Round 11, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 5. Work a single crochet in the chain space. Chain 5 again. Single crochet in the top of the next single crochet. Like this, we are going to work 12 chain spaces. We make the last chain space a little different. Instead of chain 5, we chain 2, and directly join with a double crochet to the first stitch. This is what it looks like. Round 12. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain space. Chain 5. Single crochet in the next chain space. We will work a chain 5 picot. To do this, chain 5. Insert the hook straight down into this 2 strands right here. Then yarn over, pull through this 2 strands, pull through last strand. So we made a circle. Chain 5. Single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 5 again. From now on we need just to repeat what we did. There are always 3 chain spaces between the picots. Last chain space, like previous round, we'll chain 2 and join with a double crochet. We should have 4 picots and 12 chain spaces for this round. Round 13. Chain 1. We are going to work a single crochet and chain 5 in each chain space and each picot. We'll have 16 chain spaces in this round. Close to the end, I have the last chain space to go. Like previous round, here we just chain 2 and work a double crochet in the very first single crochet stitch. For round 14, chain 1, single crochet. In top of the next single crochet, we are going to work 3 double crochets. Then single crochet in the next chain space. Followed by 3 single crochets in the next single crochet stitch. Single crochet again in the next chain space. Chain 7, it will be our first corner chain. Followed by a single crochet in the next chain space. Then work 3 double crochets again in the next single crochet stitch. Single crochet in the next chain space. Then the 3 double crochets again. Single crochet in the next chain space. We do this one more time. So 3 double crochets, followed by a single crochet. Now I have here 3 times of 3 double crochets cluster. Now it's the corner chain again. Just like this. Keep going all the way around. I'm making the last double crochet cluster. I'm going to join with a slip stitch in that first single crochet. For round 15, we are going to make a slip stitch to the next double crochet. Then chain 3, it counts as a double crochet. We are going to make a double crochet 3 together. We will continue to work 2 unfinished double crochets. Then yarn over, pull through all the loops. Chain 3 again. In the next 3 double crochet stitch, we will work another double crochet 3 together. Chain 3. Now we reach the first corner chain space. In here we will work 4 double crochets. Chain 3. 4 double crochets once more, then chain 3. Followed by 3 double crochets together. Chain 3. We will repeat this 3 more times. So like this. Go ahead and repeat this round. I'm just about to finish this round. I'm going to do the very last double crochet 3 together. And chain 3. At the end, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch of double crochet 3 together. You can see our square starting to form. Now we are going to work 2 rounds of single crochets. Chain 1. So in each stitch, we will work a single crochet, but we'll always skip the stitches of double crochet 3 together. So keep going all the way around. Join with a slip stitch. Last round, single crochet in each stitch. In the corner chain we have 3 stitches, so in the second stitch, we work 3 single crochets. Join with a slip stitch at the end. We have our 3D flower granny square done. I hope you've enjoyed this pattern and see you in next video.